Hello, hi, this is Elwin Ng, and welcome to the TradeYourEdge.com YouTube channel. This is our weekly commentary on the Forex or the currency price action charts. I am here to share some of my views on the major and the minors, including gold, right? So, very quickly, in front of me, I have the euro dollar on a weekly chart. For those who have been following my commentary, I did forecast a, a bullish movement last week after the pin bar touching the 1.17 level and a descending triangle pattern and a breakout. And surprise, surprise, price is or has moved in my favor. So what is very interesting for me is what's next, right? So the way I look at it, I'm looking at 1.2. Price to retest the 1.2 level before going higher. It's a fairly decent horizontal level, and based on the price action here, it could also go down lower. There is, at this point in time, there is enough evidence to show that it will go higher. Having said that, if I were to zoom out and look at price action, technically price is going to be ranging between this area. So that's going to be 1.23 on the high side and 1.16 on the low side until it breaks above the previous high, which is around the 1.25 255 level. Then there is no new high. So what does that mean? Based on my previous outlook of price action in the last few years, price is now doing a major reversal. Now, just to be clear, when price goes on to major reversal, there are specific challenges because um, you don't always get a V-shaped reversal. Sometimes you get a W, and sometimes you get some sort of consolidation before going higher. But having said that, 1.25 is my target. How quickly is it going to get there? No idea. But looking at price action, it seems like it is moving in favor. So with that, I'm going to look forward to see if there's any other entries in the coming week. Having said that, 1.2 is my immediate short-term target. Okay, so this is for euro dollar. The euro dollar. Moving on from that, there I've got pound sterling. Pound sterling is on an interesting path as well. It has tested the 1.42 level recently, well, a few weeks ago, and it kind of shot back down. Typically, in cases like this, price is dealing with some really solid horizontal level. Oh, by the way, for those who are not aware of what horizontal level is, do check out my YouTube channel. I have a few simple tutorials on these. Make sure to check them out. Coming back here, why 1.425? Few tests in the past. Mind you, this is a monthly chart, yeah. So when I say in the past, I meant like 2010. A few nice touches in 2018, and price is back here. My gut feeling is price would go higher because based on my previous videos, there seems to be some sort of consolidation pattern that has been happening around here. So you can see a descending triangle and a breakout. So the price breaking out above 1.425 is quite significant in the sense that it will be a major confirmation of a reversal. For those who are not aware, this will be my head and shoulder, my inverse head and shoulder, my left shoulder, my head, and my right shoulder. However, the confirmation comes after it breaks above. So until I've got a higher high, there could potentially be a short continuation in the next few months. Absolutely possible. Having said that, coming back to weekly chart, 1.35 is my target. Um, my forecast last week, based on this channel, seems to be invalid or invalidated. The pin bar here, inside pin bar, is usually a good indication of a reversal. However, price gave me a very nice false break pattern. What does that mean? That means everyone looking at this pin bar would have assumed that price would go up, so everyone went up. Those without stop loss would have got slaughtered because the sellers just jumped in, took advantage of the situation, and now we've seen a somewhat engulfing pattern that has evolved. So the engulfing would be a lot nicer if it went a bit longer, but it doesn't matter. It looks like a short continuation at this stage. So my next immediate target is 1.35, and let's see what price action has to offer from here. Okay. Moving from that, we have Aussie dollar on a weekly chart. On a bigger picture, again, still not reach my target yet. My target is 0.81, and gut feeling tells me, well, at least from last week, gut feeling tells me that it will be reversing. However, I think all majors and minors are going through the somewhat similar thing because of the US dollar. Price hasn't given me exact confirmation of a long continuation yet, so I shall see what its price going to do in the coming week, and take my punt moving from there. Having said that, the channel is still valid, and one touch, two touches here, 3, 4, and at the bottom I've got 1 and 2, right? So that's that. Yen, looking at yen, I was expecting a long. It looks to me like the US dollar is doing a consolidation, taking a breather before it goes into its direction. So hence the well, to be fair, euro dollar is what I expected. Pound is going short continuation. Yen is taking a breather, so I suppose yen doesn't have really much correlation. Sorry, just babbling on my own. Coming back here, looking at price action as a stand alone, there is a major consolidation since 2015, I suppose. Price came all the way down here. Yep, came all the way down here. You can see a descending triangle. No, sorry, it's a flat triangle. See a triangle pattern, and price just broke out of it with conviction. So last month, price broke out of it beautifully. I love it, especially when there is a the white color is in majority of the candlestick. So this is a good strong confirmation that it was going to continue to go long. Coming back to weekly chart, this is technically the first week of, well, today as I comment, it's 11, so it's about 1.5 week entering April. Premature to look at the monthly chart, but looking at a weekly chart, I still have my bias as a long continuation. With that, let's see if price do come my way. Following on, I have CAD, dollar CAD. CAD is on a short continuation pattern right now. It is a beautiful short potential opportunity coming in. I would like it even more if price would have a bit of confluence to my blue color channel here, but having said that, no major issues if it just goes down from here. Having said that, I think I can see a rough pattern here. You always see a pattern if you force it in, but no, it is a very nice pattern if you look at it carefully. In a sense that it coincides with the other channel. So yeah, it's not too bad. So we've got about 1, 2, and this is the third touch. I wouldn't put too much emphasis on it. I'll just follow price action. It feels like it should come out a little bit more, but if it does go below this level, which is, so if price is, it looks like it's ready to go. So it goes, as soon as it goes below 1.25, you have a confirmed short continuation. Alright, as you can see, there is a lower high already. So a new lower low would be perfect. Right, that's CAD. Last but not least, I have got gold. Gold on a weekly chart. For those who are not aware, gold on the monthly chart has tested its $2,000 per barrel mark at a huge psychological level. Probably did a consolidation, or its consolidation as we speak. Looking at price action, I can see that price did a double bottom. Having said that, it's not a strong continuation, long continuation yet. This double bottom here could be temporary, but looking at price action, I can expect price to go on to the higher side. I believe the bulls are back. So with that, this price pattern is interesting, because if I were to look at the daily chart, I think there should be some nice little setups. 1760 is a nice level, nice soft level. What I would expect is price to go up, retest this 176 level before going higher, and then to retest this top of the channel, breaking it, and flying north from there. Okay, so this is my view on some of the majors and minors. Hope you find them useful. If you do like it, do check out my other YouTube channels, or I will be posting part 2 of our weekly commentary on some of the currency crosses. Okay, thank you very much, and happy trading.